ChatGPT is known as an AI language processing model for human-like dialogue. Basically, it's just a chat robot like Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or the more generic one you can find on e-commerce websites for customer services. Like myself in the beginning, many of you may wonder, how does ChatGPT work? Why do we need ChatGPT? And in what scenarios we can use ChatGPT? How does ChatGPT differentiate from other chatbots in the market? It was initiated and developed by OpenAI, the same company that built DALL-E 2, which was an image generator based upon whatever text you feed to the program. As many of you may know, this buzzy AI program also stunned the general public upon its release. If you're interested in DALL-E 2, let me know in the comment section. I can make another video about it. Well, OpenAI was founded by our tech superstar Elon Musk in 2015. The company was initially built as an open source and non-profit organization with magnificent vision to ensure that artificial intelligence benefits all of the humanity. So to speak, ChatGPT is part of this grand vision to elevating human experience with AI. ChatGPT didn't appear out of thin air. It was built based upon its predecessor GPT-3, which was also a natural language processing model. Matter of fact, the beginning of GPT series goes all the way back to 2018, when GPT-1 was released. Then GPT-2 in 2019, GPT-3 in 2020, and finally the ultimate version ChatGPT debuted in late 2022. Needless to say, the mechanism behind ChatGPT is extremely sophisticated and even sounds intimidating to average people. Even Jordan Peterson once claims that it might be smarter than you.
It's smarter than you. This is a big deal.
And I believe that it could possibly be more intelligent than any human beings we ever seen in our history. Especially after its release to the public, ChatGPT from now on gonna be trained on the real data, real dialogues with real humans. Remember, it only took 4 years and 4 generations for ChatGPT to become such a scary, intelligent machine. Imagine what ChatGPT gonna be after it keep getting exposure to all kinds of data from all kinds of conversations with all kinds of people across the world. Well, history always repeats itself. The emergence of ChatGPT makes another way of AI gonna take over human beings, AI gonna take their job, etc., etc. However, from my perspective, instead of worrying about an AI gonna take over your meaningless job, why don't you see it as extremely helpful virtual assistants or a tool to help you finish your work more efficiently with higher quality? That's exactly what I did. As a math major student, I first found ChatGPT useful as it can accurately explain an obscure and abstract math concept in an easy-to-understand fashion. When I'm confused about a specific theorem or definition, ChatGPT finds me the exact answer that I can understand, so I don't have to waste my valuable time and go over tons of information that Google feed me. Like in this example, ChatGPT first gave me a high-level answer which you can maybe easily find on Wikipedia, but ChatGPT is more concise and on point. Even when facing a more specific follow-up question, ChatGPT still managed to provide me with the answer and the analogies I wanted in a way that 6-year-old could understand. So in my spare time, I'm also a food enthusiast. Usually I would cook some easy Asian dishes or sandwiches if I'm busy. But say, if I want to try something exotic, right? Let's say I have tried Starbucks pistachio latte and fall in love with it. But I'm a broke college student. I can't afford an espresso machine and also have no idea how to make a pistachio latte. ChatGPT gave me the answer, which is ad-free. How about that? Surprisingly, I found ChatGPT not only have a higher IQ than me, it also shows great empathy and might be a better boyfriend than me as well. So I asked ChatGPT how to be a more thoughtful boyfriend. Just in seconds, it gives me a comprehensive list of actions. Even those tips sounds pretty generic, but very few of us can actualize them. And shoot straight with you guys, I'm kind of afraid that the future version of ChatGPT or artificial intelligence has a very decent possibility to replace our loved ones. Nevertheless, ChatGPT for now is still a computer program without a sense of creativity or able to think for itself. You will notice its limitations and shortcomings as you use it more frequently and on certain more in-depth topics. But don't think that ChatGPT is just an AI program that helps you perform searching on internet. OpenAI's developer has disclosed that ChatGPT has no external capabilities and cannot complete lookups. Basically, it cannot access the internet, search engines, databases, or any external sources of information outside of its own model. That's why you may notice there are certain topics that ChatGPT can't answer or have a conversation on, as the training of ChatGPT stopped in 2021, so it doesn't know anything that happened since 2021. Quite surprisingly, just 2 months after the initial release of ChatGPT, OpenAI has already updated models 3 times, at which it has improved based upon the external data with millions of users and those missing information since 2021 to today. Overall, I'm not an AI expert, but I can definitely feel that ChatGPT will be a revolutionary AI tool that continue making waves. And I also believe that everyone can capitalize on it to do something more efficiently and even more creatively. Meanwhile, I noticed there are a lot of people, especially students, using ChatGPT on academic works or even cheat on exams. So it's understandable that such a powerful AI to become a double-edged sword. Please be mindful about how you choose using ChatGPT or such an AI tool. And also note that there are already a bunch of techniques out there for detecting ChatGPT's answers and outputs. Artificial intelligence and especially machine learning has already played a huge role in our today's technologies and even every part of our life. It will undoubtedly become more smarter and eventually dominate every part of our surroundings. So it's definitely necessary to keep track of this disruptive innovation like ChatGPT and be prepared. That's it for today's video. Now, if you want to see more demos about how to use ChatGPT to do other things like make money, how to write code, etc., you can go to the description section where I leave some YouTube videos and YouTubers I recommend. This is my first ever YouTube video in my life, so if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking this video, and even if you don't, please also let me know. Also, if you have any topics you want me to discuss in this channel, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will see you guys later. Peace out.